This is after pressure washing. Looks like a new Jeep almost. It's got the summer US and Europe camo pattern on it, the light green. It appears not to have had the rust proofing MWO put on it. There's no holes in the toolbox, and there's no holes, drain holes in the beams underneath. You can see the repairs that's going to have to be done there. The whole top piece has got to be replaced. The back section's got to be cut out. Top piece over here has got to be replaced. Fender corners. Pretty much got all the mud out of it, off of it. I'll hit it again here in a minute. Any spots that we missed. She sure is in good shape underneath there. That's it. Quick shot of the engine here after pressure washing. Most of the grease and grime is gone now. Now you got bare metal needs to be painted.